version of how to make a graph in Google Sheets. So first, you need your data table, okay? And then you can highlight the sections you'd like to graph. So just put your cursor on one cell, hold down the Shift key, use your side arrow, and that will select the things to the side, and then keep tapping the down arrow while holding Shift, and now you can select all these cells. And then you can go to either Insert Chart, okay, or you can go over here to the Insert Chart Quick button. Okay, there we go. Look at this. We've got a nice chart now. Okay, and Miss Duncan is going to shrink this window a little bit. All right, so here's our graph, and we just need to clean up our titles and stuff. So go over here to Customize, Chart and Axis Titles. This is our basically melting point and boiling point of water graph. Melting point and boiling point of water. Like, that's literally the information that's here. So as you type this, chart title, that's just the whole graph's title. If you ever want to change your horizontal axis, in this case it's time down here, we should always label our units. So we want time in minutes, and then we already included Celsius in our temperature, but if we wanted to write the full word, we could. So this is how you easily edit. Okay, all the labels, all the titles of different things you can find here in this customized sub panel of chart and axis titles. So now what you can do is click these three buttons. Google has it organized where basically if a stack of buttons or a row of 3 buttons, this is like your additional options. Okay, so on your Chromebook or on any desktop software, you can always get more options when you click on the stack of 3 buttons. We're going to copy this chart, okay, and then we're going to go and in our data section, we are going to put it below where our table is. Okay, so you just push 2 fingers down on your trackpad, hit paste, and it'll ask you, do you want to link to Spreadsheet? You say yes, yes I do, because that means that your graph, then if you make any changes in the spreadsheet, it will automatically update. And then here you go, you can click on it, you can shrink it, things like that. Okay, how cool is that? Hope that helps.